So let's talk about proportion data, right? So remember, proportion is the observation either 0 or 1, and the sample mean is the sample proportion is the percentage data. We often have this yes no question, and actually the same idea, right? The null hypothesis, there's a two-sided or one-sided, but since we know we have done so many two-sided and one-sided, I think we just focus on two-sided is fine. So we know that this sample proportion actually follow again by central limit theorem. We can prove this is going to be a normal 0, 1, and but we don't have to use central limit theorem. We know binomial approximation, right? So suppose n times pi and n times 1 minus pi, right? The null hypothesis, right? These are less than 5, then actually we can use normal approximation, right? With the variance is pi times 1 minus pi over n, right? And this is something we already covered in the confidence interval, right? So this is the result. So that is what we do is say, right? Look at two-sided, right? So look at alpha over 2, right? And whether the test statistic, right, z small z is bigger than the should be bigger than the critical value, then you reject, right? And otherwise you don't. P value is same, is 2 times whether the value is bigger than the test statistic, right? If that bigger than that, then you reject, right? So here we have 50, right? Sample proportion is 0.5, this sample mean, right? And hypothesis is 0.4 and non-sample 0.4, so negative 5 minus 0.4 over the C test statistic, right? It's 1.44. Look at the table, the set table, it's 1.96. Then here 1.96 is bigger than 1.44, so we can't reject, right? Next is look at the p-value, right? Here bigger than 1.44 is 0.1495, so it's bigger than 5%, so we fail to reject,